fact that Vanderbilt is taking the precautions and being proactive the way they are, it gives us a great sense of pride to be out front, to let people know that, hey, we're doing everything we can to combat this the way the rest of the world is trying to do also.
We are cleaning the high-touch surfaces such as bathrooms, locker rooms, conference rooms, classrooms.
We're their first line of who's going to be disinfecting and taking care of the area and making sure that it's safe for the faculty, staff, and students. We disinfect our touch surfaces with spray, which we keep on for about 5 minutes. Then we wipe everything down. And then once everything's ready, we pass over the areas and we let that sit and it dries.
If we do have reports of COVID positive individuals within the buildings after we've cleaned them, we'll come back in and clean those spaces again.
We had a lot of people step forward and say, hey, I want to be a part of this. I want to make a difference. So it gives you a sense of purpose.